And the next device na review natin probably would change the way you view your glasses. And I'm talking about AI glasses. This device is definitely revolutionary and it feels very futuristic. Pag-usapan natin to right after this quick intro. So how ko right now guys is the ROKID na AI glasses. So pagbukas natin itong triangular case niya, nasa the ROKID X Bolon, and andito na yung glasses natin. So thank you ROKID Philippines for lending this to me para masubukan natin ang new technology ng AI glasses. Mabilis lang naman siya i-charge, so isang clip mo lang dito and kabit mo na sa yung C-port, you'll be charging very fast. Okay, quick tour ko lang kayo. Makita mo dito yung kanyang camera module. Ayan na. Ito. Then, very nicely crafted naman itong glasses. Now, the moment na pagbukas mo, magta-turn on ng iyong glasses. And the moment na pagsara mo, mag-shutdown yung glasses. So, ganun kabilis lang. Now, ito ang button, shortcut button to. Isang tap to record audio or hold mo na ng 3 seconds para makapag-record ka ng video. Okay naman to nose pad na to. Comfy naman siya, hindi naman siya masakit. And nandito ka ng speaker, isa sa kaliwa and the other one sa kanan and nandito nakatago. And ito ang kanyang charging terminal. Na probably nakita mo right now, medyo may mga hologram. Doon lumalabas ang display pag sumo tong glasses na ito. Now, the moment na pagsuot ko, may makita ka mga text dito sa ilalim. No? So, medyo titingin ka a little bit downward. And yung pinaka-command na dito is Hi ROKID. Kakausapin ka na ng AI glasses na ito. So what's along the way? Now if I'm correct, this glasses is retailing at mga 30-something thousand pesos and mabibili mo siya sa mga partners ng ROKID. I believe that they have their own flagship stores sa SM North EDSA and sila Ideal Vision, Happy Dynamics, and Rechi. Those are some of their valued partners. Mas madalas ko nakita may mga napopost na bili sila sa Ideal Vision kasi pwede nila i-correct yung lenses depende sa grado na meron mo. Now, kamusta naman naging experience ko dito sa kanya? On first use, yung unang suot ko, I'll be honest with you guys, kasi I don't wear glasses 2020 ang aking vision and nahilo ko. Sumakit ang ulo ko. Siguro dahil dun sa images na nakikita ko or siguro may kunting grado to kahit paano. I'm not quite sure pero yung first time ko talagang honestly nahilo ko. No, medyo sumakit ng ulo ko, so I just have to try the next day. So medyo nag-adjust ng konti, no? Siguro yung mata ko nag-a-adjust dito sa glasses na to. That probably is one of the reasons kung bakit sumakit ang aking ulo. Pero mabilis na naman mag-adjust. So what's important dito sa kanya is kailangan mo download yung Hi ROKID app sa Google Play Store or sa Apple App Store to be able to begin with this one. So once na na-pair mo siya, madali na siya. There's a lot of function na pwede mong gawin dito sa kanya. So right now guys, isa-isahin natin. Pakita ko sa inyo every single function na ginawa natin dito on this ROKID AI glasses. Now once na napag-download ka ng Hi ROKID na app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store, there's a lot of things na pwede mong magawa sa kanya. Which is for me, very amazing. Makita mo, no? Connected ako and I have 96% of battery. So habang lahat ng sinasabi mo dito na command, then mag-reply siya sa dito sa'yo, no? Normally, marinig mo siya on your glasses. But let's just navigate dito on this app. So, kita mo itong ROKID AI glasses natin. We can calibrate yung volume na dito. So, it depends kung anong volume gusto mo. Ang gusto niya is for me to wear my glasses para makalibrate mga to. So, yeah, I'll just wear it or para maano na, no? So we can calibrate this one better, play with this one better. So volume brightness, pwede mo ma-adjust dito. Or you can check the tips, kung ano mga gusto mo. Ito ang maganda. Real-time translation, which i-record natin later. Papakita ko sa inyo how it works. Teleprompter. So, many people can probably use this one. Lalo na if you don't want to memorize yung script mo, you can always put in mga things sa important na kailangan mo sabihin on this teleprompter. All you need to do is just magbasa ka lang, dito sa ROKID AI glasses mo. So, navigation ito, nagamit ko rin to while I was navigating to somewhere na medyo hindi ako familiar. It's very easy to use. AI recording. Pag-record mo, pwedeng mag-transcribe, which is also good. Notification, you can turn on and turn off yung mga different notifications gusto mo. Ito, nagamit ko rin to ang call settings niya. Ito, hindi ko pa natatry, Pay at a glass. Pero support lang na is Alipay pa lang. Wala pa siya mga Gcash, Google Pay. So, by far, yun pa lang nakita ko. Alipay pa lang pwede niya. So, yan, kita mo, install Alipay first. So, yan pa lang support niya. Hopefully, in the near future, magkaroon ng Gcash, magkaroon ng Google Pay, and all of the other payment method na pwede natin gamitin, PayBaya, will be much better, no, than just a single Alipay. Now, if you have Alipay, it's your advantage. So user guide tutorial are all here. Now, pupunta pa sa gallery, there are a few things na pwede mong kalikutin dito. You can record AR. Kung ano nakikita ko sa glasses right now, pwede mo record dito. So, I'll be doing that a little bit later. Then, we can also do AR na the photo lang. So, kung anong dinidisplay ni ROKID, this is glasses mo. Papipicture mo siya. Just like this one. Kita mo, diba? This is what's happening sa glasses ko. While I was just playing dito, navigate, I just took a simple photo. No? So, account management. Basically, itong assistant mo is that whatever you say na command, nililinaw siya dito. So, sabihin ko, "Hi ROKID, please navigate me to Philippine Orthopedic Hospital." Yes, sabihin. Diba? So right now nakita ko sa glasses ko is yung map, no? So papakita ko sa inyo how it works. So right now I'm on route naman, diba? So we can end navigation. So right now guys, we'll be start recording to try natin yung translate feature na dito, translation feature. Yung nakita ko dito sa glasses do. I'm pretty sure na nakikita nyo dito sa glasses ko. Yan, di ba? Nakita nyo? Astig, di ba? So right now, we're going to try to do it. 你好 Hi, I'm fine. 现在几点了？现在已经9点了。Yes, it's already 9 in the evening. 你今天要去哪里吃个晚饭？ I think I'm going to McDonald's for a quick dinner. 那么我们一起来去吃个晚餐吧。Sure. Come on, it's my treat. So yan, nakita niyo yung ganda, di ba? Yung ano niya, yung what's happening here sa screen ko. It's really good. So, real time, makita mo while I'm talking, lumalabas na gano'n na siya, translate na siya in text. So, what you see on the screen here sa phone is English to Chinese, and what I'm seeing sa aking glasses is Chinese to English, no, translation. So, isa nakasuot ang glasses sa hawak ng phone, which is nifty. So, right now, guys, itatry naman natin yung teleprompter niya na feature. So, meron siyang smart scroll lang, pwede mong gawin. So, pwede ka mag-import ng text or pwede ka mag-create a new text. Simply do this once. But before that, let me record itong nakikita ko, no? Para makita natin real time what's really happening. Just go home, go to teleprompter, create new text, import, send to glasses. So, yeah, kita natin. Send successfully. So, teleprompter glasses. So, i-play lang natin. Yeah. So, makita natin, no? Yung sa screen ko. Actually, I just copied some news updates from CNN. And here goes. Live updates. Israel says that it killed Iran's intelligence minister in latest assassination and regime leadership. So, sumasabay siya, no? So, kung iba ang sinasabi ko, hindi siya nagsascroll, which is astig, di ba? I can basically ad-lib and say something else and hindi siya tumutuloy. So, if you want to stop, press stop. Tapos na. Ganun. Astig, di ba? Auto-scroll siya. I mean, binabasa niya what you're saying, word for word. So, pupunta siya sa next once na tapos ka na magsabi. So, astig, di ba? Sarili siya mag-scroll. Hindi mo na kailangan ng remote para mag-scroll. All you need to do is just pronounce it correctly and probably go to the next one. Kung mag-off track ka, hindi siya nag-scroll, which is cool. So, right now, guys, we'll be playing with navigation. So, all you need to do is just tell, "Hi, ROKID, please navigate me to NAIA Terminal 3. Diba? Astig, diba? You can do either walking, you can do cycling, or you can do driving. So, it depends kung anong sinet mo dito sa kay ROKID sa dito sa navigation. So, what's nice dito sa kanya is that it is linked together with Google Maps. So, it give you a pretty nice, accurate na direction. So, once you're done, just end navigation. Ganun lang, diba? Stick. So right now, ilalaro naman natin tong recording, voice recording niya with AI transcription. So what we're going to do is mag-record ng voice. Okay? So kita niyo dito sa aking screen, it's already recording. And we just want to give a dry run. Kamusta magiging transcribe niya dito sa mga sinasabi ko, no? And I think this is a very, very useful na function which can let you convert yung conversation mo with someone else and record it and put it into words dito sa app mismo, which is pretty nice and nifty. So let's just stop. Hey, hi ROKID, stop recording. So, di ba? Astig, di ba? Tapos na. So, what we'll do right now is import natin siya. So, once na-import mo, pwede mo na siya laruin dito. May siyang AI icon just like this one. Let's just try to transcribe it, no? Kung anong magiging itsura niya. So, let's just pause for a while. Okay. So, ito. Diba? Transcribe natin. So, AI summary can generate summary right now. This might take a while depending sa internet connection mo, no? May summary na siya. You can also transcribe. Stig, di ba? So, yung sinabi ko, everything in Tagalog, ginawa na English. Wow. So, well, pretty good. Still good. Naiintindihan naman yung Tagalog. So, that's for the voice recording and AI transcription. So, right now, pakita ko lang sa inyo quickly that you can take a photo na nakikita mo yung screen mo dito sa glasses mo. So, just press this one. In 3 seconds, no? Magsalita muna tayo, no? Hi, ROKID. Can you tell me who are these 2 characters from Dragon Balls in front of me?
Those look like figures of 2 times Dragon Ball times characters in their Super Saiyan Blue forms. Since they are fictional, I can identify them. The one with the orange pants appears to be Goku, Super Saiyan Blue. The one wearing the blue battle suit appears to be Vegeta Super Saiyan Blue. Let me know if you want more details about the form or the scene they're posed in.
Hi ROKID. Can you tell me more about them?
Sure, here's a clear, friendly rundown of each. Goku. He's the series' main hero and a Saiyan raised on Earth, in Super Saiyan Blue form.
So, yan, nakita niyo na, di ba? Astig. They can, kaya ni ROKID determine na mga things or figures or whatever, the mga things na hindi mo alam. When, especially perfect if you're traveling. Pwede mong gawin din siya pang translate ng something if you want, like Japanese characters, di ba? Like sa Japan ka, may street sign ka hindi maintindihan, tanong mo lang si ROKID and direct translate na niya, di ba? Using yung glasses. Pretty nice feature pag ako itatanungin mo. Now, another good feature na meron dito kay ROKID is that meron siyang camera. So dito sa glasses mismo, kita mo, yung camera's hidden here. Now, you can press 3-second long hold para mag-start recording siya. I was able to record this one, which I think not bad yung kanang resolution. Overall, mukhang okay naman siya, no? Pero yung alam, masyado siyang matagtag. Hindi siya ganun ka-stable. Siguro, wala sa stabilization na intact, no? So, if you're watching it long, mafe-feel mo mahihilo ka lang sa niya, no? So, that's just my take dito. Na kung feel mo may pagkwentuhan dito kay ROKID, you can always ask things na gusto mo malaman. There are things na probably you don't know. Like, here goes a quick question, no? Hi, ROKID. How popular is Gadget Sidekick on YouTube? So, mukhang ano siya, no? Kailangan medyo mas specific pa tayo. So, try uli natin. Hi, ROKID. Describe how he differs from other tech reviewers here in the Philippines for Gadget Sidekick. And guys, so kung gusto mo medyo mabigyan ka ng maganda explanation ni ROKID, kailangan medyo mas well-detailed ang pagka-phrase mo sa pagbigay mo ng question, sa pag-prompt mo, no? So, basically, nung unang binigay ko sa kanya, hindi ko naman binensya kung from what country si Gadget Sidekick. So, medyo na-lost siya, no? So, nung sinabi ko na from YouTube, tapos Philippines, so medyo nakapag-hukay siya ng tamang information about Gadget Sidekick, which is cool, di ba? And ang dami niya alam about Gadget Sidekick. Pretty amazing. So, yun guys, nakita na everything na kinalikot natin on these glasses was really good experience. Probably yung only complaint ko dito is that you just need to get a little bit used to it. There are times na pag nagko-command ka, nagkakamali rin siya. So medyo you need to practice yung mga prompt na sinasabi mo sa kanya. And another thing is yung kanyang battery life. Nabibitin talaga ako honestly sa kanyang 20 minutes na usage on one full charge. No? So probably if they can extend it or maybe add a bypass charging dito sa glasses na ito, I'm not sure how they would do it. Pero I think it would be a good addition. Kasi 20 minutes of usage time, I think medyo personally, medyo bitin para sa akin. Lalo na kung na-navigate ka, no? So unless that is really nearby, 20 minutes is okay. Pero kung medyo malayuan, I think talagang mabibiti ka nga sa 20 minutes. Overall, I think this is a pretty nifty na gadget which is definitely very futuristic and I'm looking forward na medyo mas ma-enhance pa ang ROKID AI glasses in the near future. But for now, on its early stages, there are still some glitches which needs to be addressed by ROKID engineers. So guys, if you're interested dito sa ROKID glasses, I'll post a link on the description box below kung saan siya pwede mabili or just simply click the YouTube shopping link para may redirect kayo sa ROKID Philippines to buy this one ng legit. And of course, kung may grado ka, you can always visit Ideal Vision para i-change ang lenses netong glasses para sa'yo. But for now, ako wala akong problema kasi 2020 naman ang aking vision. So, medyo nahilo nga lang ako on first try. So guys, if you know anyone that's interested sa mga high-tech gadgets like this one, feel free to recommend the video natin ng ROKID AI glasses to them. And of course, in-invite ko kayo to like, subscribe to sa aking channel so you don't miss out yung mga high-tech na review just like this one, ang ROKID AI glasses. So paano guys, hanggang dito muna ako. I'll see you when you see me. Bye ROKID. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.